Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker channel. In today's video, we're at the Flight 93 National Memorial. Pay our respect to these men and women who paid the ultimate price on 9/11. It's not going to be a lot of talking in this video, we're just going to come and pay our respects. And this path is where the plane flew in this direction. There's the impact site here.
I think we was up there because it wasn't far off the road.
That's where it crashed, right there.
There. That is the World Trade Center, and we have unconfirmed reports this morning that a plane has crashed into one of the towers.
Welcome back to Fox News. We have a very tragic alert for you right now. An incredible plane crash into the World Trade Center here at the lower tip of Manhattan.
So I didn't see what caused it or if there was an impact. I have another one. Another plane just hit. Right? Oh my God! Another plane has just hit. Another building, going right into the middle of it. Exploded.
Ranks among the most courageous acts in American history.
And have ordered that the full resources of the federal government.
Passenger Lauren Grant Colas phoned her husband Jack at 9:39 a.m., about 11 minutes after the hijacking began, leaving this message on their home answering machine.
Honey, are you there? Jack? Pick up, sweetie. Okay, well, I just wanted to tell you I love you. We're having a little problem on the plane. I'm totally fine. I just love you more than anything. Just know that. And, I'm comfortable and I'm okay for now. just a little problem, so I just love you. Please tell my family I love them too. Bye, honey.
Was a former strip mine, was now turned into a memorial landscape, taking
They said God knows how many lives. From attack, they said God knows how many lives. They saved the terrorists from claiming a symbolic victory of smashing the center of America. And they did it as citizens. Did the right thing.
For as long as this memorial stands, we will remember what the men and women aboard the plane did here. We will pay tribute to the courage.
to a memorial landscape, taking what was once a very scarred landscape and turning it into a place of healing, a place where visitors could come and pay tribute to the passengers and crew of Flight 93.
With almost no time to decide.
Okay. Look, there's wheelchairs.
Yeah, you drive safe.
So we're gonna walk as close as we can get to the crash site, but it's an honor to come here and pay respects. So that big rock out there is where they made impact. So that's the Flight 93 Memorial Museum, Visitor Center. The courage and the bravery that these men and women displayed on 9/11 is something to be admired and respected. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and you all keep on rocking.
credit